Namaste. Welcome to our session on home composting. So to start with, this is our composting bin. This is almost entirely homemade. We took a cardboard box, then took some plastic bags, cut them into single sheets, and then covered this box entirely from inside with these plastic bags using sellotape. Once the box was completely coated with plastic, we took a screwdriver or any other pointed object and carefully drilled a hole at the bottom. This is to allow any excess leachate to flow through the box so that we can collect it from the bottom. Now we start making our bin ready for composting. For the first layer, take some dry leaves and crush them as much as you can. So the first layer is that of the dry leaves. So once the first layer of dry leaves is done, the next layer is soil coco peat mix, which is some garden soil and some coco peat, which is powdered dry coconut fiber, and then some more dry leaves. These are the supports for the composting bin, made using all waste material. Place an old plastic mug in the middle to collect the leachate from the bottom of the composting bin, and place the composting bin on the supports appropriately. Cut your vegetable scraps and fruit peels into as small pieces as you can, because higher the surface area, better it is for the microbes to consume. Feed your compost pile. Then you can put some more garden soil or some brown matter on it if required. Then place the lid, ensure sufficient ventilation, and the magic begins. You can turn the pile occasionally as required. After a week or so, the compost pile starts turning black like this, and in 3 to 4 weeks, the compost is completely ready. Once the compost is ready, then pass it through a sieve. We got the black gold. Use it for yourself and give it to your friends.